4 ways of writing long E sound like eat, meet,
Meet.
eat, feed. This is a self-learning app because children can just press the buttons and listen to the sounds and they can learn on their own. They don't need any help. No teacher needed. Okay? Eel, heel. And if you don't know phonics, then also no problem because the app is very organized. It teaches children to read and spell in a very systematic step-by-step manner. Okay? C, C,
E.
C, eel, heel. A can also make long E sound as in ch, eep, cheap, ing, meaning. 2 diagrams. Diagrams are color coded.
Meaning.
Beam. Now let's go to the magic key.
E.
E. Can you see the magic E?
Eat.
Athlete.
Athlete.
Theme. Eat. Compete.
Compete.
Letter Y can also make long E sound as in jelly.
Jelly.
Silky.
Silky. It.
Majority. Is this word very difficult for children? No. If they know the sounds, if they know this letter Y is saying long E sound in this word, they can read this word very easily, isn't it? So that is the beauty of phonics. Long I sound.
Up to 6 Phonics Plus.